Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix microphone not working or responding in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to open our settings. At the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and click on settings. So once you're here at the settings, go for privacy and security, which you can see at the left side of your screen. Click on it and simply scroll down and look for the microphone settings. Here under the app permissions, it is located in the third option here. Click this forward arrow to see more and make sure that the microphone access is on. Okay. Make sure that all of this are on. Okay. And if let desktop apps access your microphone is on, simply once done, check if your microphone is now working in your Windows or computer. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to the second step, which is we need to open our control panel. At the search icon, search for control panel. The moment you type that, the best match will appear. Click on open to continue. Okay, so if your control panel window doesn't look like this, go for view by and make it in large icons. Okay, here you need to look for sound. I can see there next to programs and features. Click on it. And the moment you click on that, this sound window will appear. Here you need to proceed for recording and click this microphone again. Then go for properties and make sure that the device usage is in use this device enable and click on apply and OK. Once done with the recording, go for playback and select the speakers and go for properties again. And here in the speakers properties, go for levels and just simply drag the microphone to the 100 or to the 23 or whatever you prefer or whatever you are satisfied to, as well as this speaker. Okay, just drag that. Once done, click on apply and okay. Okay, so once you're done with this, just have to check your microphone if it's now working again. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to the third step where we need to open our device manager. How we can do that? Let me just close this. At the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and go for device manager. The moment you click on that, this new window will appear. Just have to expand it. And here you need to look for audio inputs and outputs. I can see there next to my computer name. Click this forward arrow. And here you need to select your microphone. Okay. So just have to do a right click and go for uninstall device. I will not uninstall mine since I'm using it now. So in your case, go for uninstall device. And the moment you click on it, it will be uninstalled for the meantime in your computer. But if you will click this file and mean action and go for scan for hardware changes, it will be installed automatically again. Okay? So once you're done, just have to check your microphone if it's working again. And let's say if it doesn't, then go back here in the device manager and this time select again the microphone that you are using and we need to update the driver. Just have to do a right click here and go for update driver and it will opt you to choose these two options, search automatically for drivers as well as manually. Go with the first one, and if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then go with search for updated drivers in Windows. It will take some time, maybe 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the network connection that you are connected to. Just have to wait and check if your microphone is working again. And let's say if it doesn't, then go back here and go with the second one, which is manually search for drivers. Click on it and go with this. Let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. In this case, we are rolling back the driver. So here, if you have two to three models or drivers here present, just have to select one by one, click on next again, and check one by one if what works for you. I mean, what will fix in your microphone, okay? What driver will help you to fix your microphone? If it's now fixed with the first one, then go with, or either the second one, then go with that, okay? So just have to check what driver will fix you if your microphone is now working. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to the fourth step, which is we need to go for settings again. At the start icon, do or right click, or you can simply press Windows and I key together to open Task Manager. I mean settings, sorry, settings. So once you're here at the settings, you need to go for system, which is next to home at the left side of it. And here you need to look for troubleshoot. Okay. So the moment you find it, click on it. And here in this new tab, it has these three options. You need to go for other troubleshooters. Click on it. And this time you need to go with audio and run it. Okay. So mostly when you run the troubleshooters, it will fix the problem for you. Okay. Just have to wait until it's done. And I'm sure your microphone will be working again. Okay. So let's say it if it doesn't still, then go back here at the settings and go with system and simply scroll down and locate about. Okay. Click on it and go with this advanced system settings and just have to close this. Okay. And here in this system properties, you need to go with hardware, which is at the second option next to computer name. And here it has this two options that you can go with. Go with device installation settings and click on no when it asks you to do you want to automatically download manufacturers apps and custom icons available for your devices. Click on no and then go with save changes. So once done, just have to check if your microphone is now working. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's bound to the fifth and last step, which is to open our task manager. Here at the start icon, to or right click and scroll up and go for task manager. Okay. So here in this new window, just expand it. Okay. And go with run new task. And here you need to input a command. You can take a note of it, or you can simply pause this video to copy this command. Control C, then Control V to paste, and then check this, create this task with administrative privileges, and click on OK. And the moment you click on that, this window will appear here. Here you need to input a command, which is gp update. Again, gp update, then click on enter to continue. So it is now updating the policy. Just have to wait until it's done. It will take less a minute. Okay, now it is done. Computer policy update has completed successfully as well as the user policy update has completed successfully. Here you need to check the disk. How we can do that? Just input ch key space ds key. I mean no space, sorry. ds key test check disk space C, then colon, then click enter to proceed. So the moment you click on that, the type of file system is NTFS, which is good, and the volume is Acer, which is the brand of my computer. So just have to wait until it's done. It is now examining basic file system structure and it will surely fix the problem, which is the microphone not working in your Windows or computer. So that's it. That's are the 5 steps on how to fix your microphone which is not working. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.